Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin on Venmo and transferring it to another wallet. If you're new to cryptocurrency or simply looking for a seamless way to purchase and send Bitcoin, this guide will help you understand each step clearly. To get started, open your Venmo app and navigate to the Crypto tab, which is the third tab from the left on the bottom navigation bar. Here, Venmo offers several cryptocurrency options, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. While Venmo provides access to multiple cryptocurrencies, I personally stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum due to their widespread adoption and long-term value. However, remember that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you're new to cryptocurrency, you'll also find educational resources in the Crypto tab. You can scroll down to learn more about blockchain technology, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, which can help you make informed decisions when buying and selling crypto assets. Once you've decided to buy Bitcoin, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and tap Buy to proceed with your purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest. Keep in mind that Venmo charges a 50-cent transaction fee for crypto purchases. For this demonstration, I'll be purchasing $10 worth of Bitcoin. It's important to note that alternative platforms such as Cash App and Coinbase may offer lower transaction fees, so comparing platforms before making a purchase is always a good idea. After entering $10, tap Review to confirm your order details. Finally, tap Buy Bitcoin to complete your purchase. After completing the transaction, you'll receive a confirmation message stating you bought $10 of BTC. Venmo also gives you the option to celebrate your purchase with a crypto sticker, but I'll skip that and tap Not Now so we can move on to reviewing the transaction details. At the time of this purchase, Bitcoin's price is $39,127, showing an increase of 0.5% in the past 24 hours and 1% over the past week, indicating mostly sideways movement in price action. After fees, I received 0.0002543 Bitcoin, valued at $9.95, meaning I immediately incurred a 55-cent loss due to the transaction cost. To review your transaction, navigate to the Recent Transactions section in the Crypto tab. Here, you can view details about your purchase price, fees, and total Bitcoin received. Before transferring Bitcoin, it's important to note that Venmo does not allow direct peer-to-peer Bitcoin transactions outside of its platform. This means that Venmo operates more as a custodial account rather than a true cryptocurrency wallet. Additionally, if you decide to sell Bitcoin on Venmo, you will be required to confirm your tax information before proceeding. If you want to move your Bitcoin to an external wallet or send it to another Venmo user, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Navigate to the Crypto tab in your Venmo app, locate and tap the transfer arrows icon in the bottom right corner, and choose Send from the available options. Enter the recipient's details. If sending Bitcoin to another Venmo user, simply input their Venmo username. If transferring to a PayPal user or an external crypto wallet, you must enter the recipient's wallet address manually or scan their crypto address QR code using the scanner feature. Input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Venmo will automatically calculate any applicable transaction fees. Carefully review the transaction details before sending. Since crypto transactions are irreversible, it is crucial to double-check the recipient's information to avoid losing funds permanently. Once everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transaction. If you need to check your past crypto transactions, navigate to the Crypto tab's transaction feed, where you can review all your previous purchases, sales, and transfers. And that's it. You now know how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo and transfer it to another wallet. While Venmo provides an easy way to purchase cryptocurrency, it's important to be aware of the platform's limitations, including higher fees and custodial restrictions. If you plan on actively managing your crypto assets, you may want to explore dedicated crypto exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken for more flexibility and lower fees. If you want an easier way to buy and sell Bitcoin, try Coinbase. Free sign-up link in the description. It's beginner-friendly and secure. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Happy investing!